so this Monday, Lil Durk just put out a video for Viral Moment. He also announced the release date of his new mixtape, Just Cause Y'all Waited Too. There's gonna be 15 tracks on that. It's coming out May 8th. Make sure you check out his previously released single called All Love. Let's get into the guitar tutorial. Yeah, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks. You're gonna want standard tuning, you know, E, A, D, G, B, E, standard tuning. But you're gonna wanna put your capo on 4, right up here. And if you don't have a capo, you can just play power chords where these are and mute, you know, all the other strings. But open 4, 6, 6, open, open. And then it goes down full step right there. So pointer on 2, ring on 4, pinky on 4, open, open. And I just mute the top string like that. I mean, you can let it ring, it sounds like that, but I just mute it like that. So it starts here, and then it's just pick your pointer finger up and slide your ring and your pinky down to these 2 strings right here. Open, 2, 2, open, open. It's like an A chord down here, but you got your capo on, so and then you're gonna want to stay down here for a few beats, and then when you bring it back up, it's you don't go da da da, you go da da da. So it's like just like that. And the song does that the whole time, so you're just going to want to go down and up like that. The strumming pattern goes like this. So down, down, up, down. So you're just going to want to keep that going up and down like this. So down, down, up, down. Like that. The guitar I'm playing is a Taylor guitar. Don't mind my strings here due to the current state of being locked in my house. When I put new strings on it, I didn't have a clippers. I usually go through and clip the strings. I don't have my clippers here. It's in my band's trailer. So unfortunately, we got this situation going on here. So don't mind that. But yeah, my guitar is a Taylor, a 320E. It's a really nice guitar. Bought it in 2014. It's acoustic electric, mahogany wood, I believe. Sounds really nice. So yeah, that's the lesson on Lil Durk Viral Moment. So anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. Stay safe out there. Have a great day. Thanks.